Sabayan! What's up? What is up? What's happening? Yun naman sa mga pine trees. Pine trees. Hi. We're here at SM Baguio. Wala lang, mag-ano lang kami. Mag-shopping lang kami dito. Shopping. Gusto ko yung ganyang drinks din. Long sleeve polo shirt, pants, chucks, Macbeth.
Ito, carrot.
Bili lang kami ng bread tapos walk trip.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.
Dito kami magsistay.
Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a
And my milk
toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way.
Ano yun yung kailangan nyo for tomorrow? Thanks! Are you excited about tomorrow? I'm nervous. Because? Why? Because of this. Look at the road, me.
Ay, ito ba yun?
Will be like this. Pataas. Yeah. Maaga sila for tomorrow. Mga dapat 3. Nakaalis na sila. Saling kit-kit lang kami.
Supposed to be, and you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do.
Maglalakad lang kami. Kasi yung last time na punta namin dito, muulan. And now, sarap maglakad. Ayan. May nakikita po akong Pikachu. Punta natin si Pikachu. Ayun! Who's that Pokemon? Yun pa yung isang. Good morning, bro. My outfit for Sunday's best.
Paano yan? Wala na tayong mas.
Nandito kami sa Mr. P. Garden.
I feel you in the falling minutes. I couldn't breathe when I'm rocking it.
Coachella!
Hindi kaya nga po kami.
Coachella ng Baguio. Ayun talaga siya. Bulaklak. Here ang Santo Niño. Sunset tayo. Saan? May memories ka ba sa Sunsilk? Meron. Yung kay Miguel.
Ay, oo.
Hi, Pam Video Diner. Yan no, Pam. Smile.
Ano ko kay Ma'am?
May nanang. Paano ba? Can buy myself flowers. Look. Relate ba kayo sa music? What's up guys? Na night market kami ni Mamaw. Yes.
Tapos dito, ang kinuha ko, size. Tapos,
Oh my god, it's exciting.
that was
Saan?
Your dream.
Or sa loob?
After the sun has already fallen, after a while forgotten, how can I feel you in the brightness? How can I breathe when I'm traveling? Ooh, after the sun has already fallen, after a while forgotten.
Dito po tayo, mag-hiking po tayo. Hiking po to. Ay, sarap ng hangin, bro. Kahit mainit. Yup. That is my view, bro. Nandun sila.
After a while forgotten.